Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add gray color underline to your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option, and here you will find this underline option, and this right sidebar you will find this arrow. Click here and this underline properties bar, and click on this underline and select. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text you want to underline and say this. This underline properties I will make 100%. Now I will make it gray color. Here you will find this gray color default color. If you did not find any default gray color, click on this custom color option and select a red color and put your mouse cursor on this black color. Okay, again go custom color and this black color. Here you can add this gray color and see this gray color, and now you can see this gray color opacity. Again go any other color and select the custom color and this gray color bar and select OK. Now you can draw your underline and see this. In this you can add gray color underline to your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.